In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Substack chat. If you're part of the Substack community, engaging with your audience can take your content to the next level. Setting up Substack chat allows you to interact with your subscribers in real time and foster a stronger, more vibrant community. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Substack homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all available features. Once there, locate and click on the chat option. This will usually be found in the main menu. Clicking here will lead you to the chat interface where you can manage chat settings and interactions. Next, you'll want to proceed to create a new chat space. Select the option to create chat to initiate this. Here you have the flexibility to choose who participates in these chats. Click on everyone if you want all of your subscribers to be involved. This inclusive approach helps to build a sense of community and ensures everyone feels a part of the conversation. After you've selected your participants, hit create to establish your new chat environment. Your chat is now set up exactly the way you want it. Click on view chat to inspect the newly created chat space. This view will give you a better understanding of how threads and messages will appear to your subscribers. Now click on your subscriber chat to manage its settings. Here's where you enable chat features for your subscribers. Click on Enable Chat to activate these interactive elements. This step is crucial as it opens up communication channels with your audience. After enabling, you'll be taken to the settings page. This page provides various options to customize your chat experience. You can adjust these settings according to your preferences and those of your audience. Once everything is set, make sure to click on Enable Chat again to confirm these changes. Click on the link to your subscriber chat to ensure everything is functioning as it should be. You're now ready to start a conversation. Select Start a New Thread and type in your message. This can be a question, an update, or anything else you wish to share with your subscribers. Once your message is ready, click Send to publish it to the chat. Subscribers will be able to see and interact with your message instantly. Lastly, if you or any of your subscribers wish to engage further, click on Leave Reply to view and add responses to the thread. This allows for back and forth communication, making your subscribers feel heard and valued. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Substack chat. Whether you're keen on building a closer-knit community or just looking to enhance subscriber interaction, Substack chat offers a great platform to achieve those goals. Thanks for watching and enjoy engaging with your community.